Okay? That's what I try to tell my people. Yeah, it looks a little hairy in spots, but it's intentional. Work with the land. You absolutely want to work with it. Like I said, once they roll these hay bales out and get it about 6 or 8 inches thick, all this is going to die. It's going to go back just like where that rooster was digging. And next year when she plants, beautiful topsoil, good clay soil, some of the best in the world.
That's right. And I think a misconception is that you have to have a rode up, bare dirt garden or you can't grow food. Guys, we're about 4 days off it being August in southeast Louisiana. What's once started as a fully hayed spot now has some weed growth. But that little green that you see right there is actually another form of cover crop. And the way that I get rid of it is I row hay right back over all of this and replant. This is the end of this garden. In Louisiana, we plant twice. This garden has been harvested and it has, all the food's been picked. So we're letting it just go back natural now. Now what we'll do is we'll bring hay over here to a new area, this area, roll the hay out and replant the second garden.
Right.
And let that spot rest.
And you just hit the nail on the head. We're almost into August. It's hotter than a $2 pistol. And that will lower the temperature of the ground.
Oh, yeah.
And that hay, moisture, the temperature will drop down, depends on the atmosphere, your moisture in the air and all. It'll drop the temperature 10, 15, 20 degrees sometimes.
Absolutely. And one thing people don't understand is I have one little watering system out there. I grew this is a quarter acre garden.
1/8.
A 1/8. Thank you, Daddy. 1/8 garden of an acre. I grew hundreds of pounds of food in here and I have one little sprinkler system. How did I do that? Because when I water, it stays there for weeks because the hay traps it to the soil.
That's right. And like I said, evaporation, poof, there goes the temperature. 100 degrees up here, 75, 80, 90 down there. I mean,
yeah, it's perfect. The roots are the most important part of your plant.
So anyway, the people that jumped on me about weeds and taking away from the garden apparently did it the way they've been doing it since day one. Bad ground, turn it up. When it gets too hot, it's just going to die. Okay.
Right, you do you, we'll do us.
That's right.
Let's agree to disagree.
Yeah, you know, I'm not fussing. I'm just telling you, people, it works. It absolutely works.
It does, it does.